In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download X app. By the end, you'll have X running like a standalone app on your computer using your browser's built-in install feature. This creates a lightweight application experience that opens in its own window, keeps you signed in, and is easy to launch without navigating through browser tabs. First, open your browser. Any modern browser will work, but the experience is smoothest in up-to-date versions of the most popular options. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the page loads cleanly and the install option appears as expected. Next, search for x.com. You can type x.com directly into the address bar and press enter, or search for it and click the official result. Once the site loads, give it a second to finish rendering the interface. You're looking for an install option that typically appears toward the right side of the page or the browser's top bar. This is the browser's way of letting you install the site as an app. There would be an install in the right side of the page. Keep your eyes on the upper right area of your browser window. Depending on your setup, you might see a small icon that looks like a monitor with a down arrow, a plus sign inside a square, or a button labeled Install. When it's visible, that's your quickest path to get X running as an app. If you can't see it, don't worry. Some layouts and screen sizes hide this option. It can also depend on your browser's toolbars and whether you're viewing the site in a smaller window. In that case, you'll use the browser menu instead. You can also use the three-dot menu. Look to the very top right corner of your browser for the three vertical dots that open the main menu. Click to open it, and you'll see several categories and shortcuts. Hovercast, Save and Share. Move your mouse over that area to expand its related options. This is where the browser groups tools for interacting with the current page, and it's also where the install option can appear when it isn't visible on the page itself. Click Install X as App. When you select it, your browser will confirm the installation and create a dedicated app for X on your computer. After a brief moment, X will open in its own window without the usual browser clutter. You can launch it from your desktop, app list, or dock just like any other app. That's it. You've installed X as an app using your browser's built-in tools.